What's the meaning of bean sprouts? Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are the young shoots of various types of beans, such as mung beans, soybeans, and black beans. These sprouts are typically used in Asian cuisine and are highly nutritious, rich in vitamins and minerals. They have a crunchy texture and a mild, slightly sweet flavor that makes them a popular ingredient in stir-fries, salads, and soups. Bean sprouts are also low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Sprouting beans is easy and can be done at home with just a few simple steps, making bean sprouts an affordable and convenient ingredient.